Alright, hi, hello, welcome to eTutors. So today I'm going to show you how to sign up as a tutor on eTutors platform. So the first thing you need to do to sign up is to go to the sign up button here and just click sign up. Now when you click the sign up button here, it takes you to the registration page. So here it says I want to join as a, ensure you select tutor, right? Then of course you enter your full name. So the full name is Abdul. Okay, so say Abdul Yemi Nemeka, right? So that's my name. So then of course I will enter my email address, which is .ica.ng. So I'm using a real email so I can be able to get the email notification. So I'm going to enter my password, right? So enter my password, confirm my password, right? Then of course I'll confirm my password, right? So once I do that, my time zone is automatically selected for me, and then of course I'll agree to the terms and conditions. Then I'll click the create free account button. I can also use Google to create my account, but I'm going to create my account here. So I'll just click this account, click this button, and takes a few seconds, and of course it says that your verification link has been sent to the email. And then the next thing is for me to head over to my email and confirm this my account. Alright, so I'm here in my email. So I've checked my inbox, it wasn't there. The email landed in spam. So if you check your inbox, it's not there, always check your spam for the verification email. So here is the email for me to verify. So I'll come here. So of course I'll report as not spam, and then I'll go back to my inbox. Great, so I'll check. Okay, so I'll click here, and then I'll see the email to verify. So I'll simply click this button. So great, so this is very important. So it brings me to the page where I have to select the courses or the subjects I want to take. So first I want to select information technology, so in IT for kids. Then I also ask me which class I want to take exactly. So I'm selecting web design basics. So I also take IT for adults. So I'll scroll down. They ask me which class I want to take. So I have professional graphics design, I have data analysis and visualization, I have professional web development. So I'll also select this one. So you can also, there are several other options. So you have the Nigerian professional exams, you have Nigerian based exams like the NECO, WAEC, and the rest of them. This is for the certification exams, things like COREN, ICANN, ACCA, and the rest of them. So extramural classes, if you take primary or secondary school students, you can sign up for the extramural classes. Also the languages, so you can teach different Nigerian languages as well as different other foreign languages like Chinese, Mandarin, English, and the rest of them, French, etc. So I've selected the classes I'm going to teach, and then once I've done that, I'll click set your schedule. So I'll click this. Great, so I have been able to set this. Now the next thing is that it asks me to set the amount I want to charge per class, right? The amount I want to charge per class. So I have the option of choosing between 750 naira to 2,250 per class. So I'm going to choose like 1,000 naira. So it asks me how many classes I want to teach in a week. So I can teach in a week. So I'm going to select 5 classes. Then maximum number of students, I can choose between 1 to 10 students. So what it means is that per class I can teach, I can earn this amount. I'm going to teach for 5 classes, on this class. So then another thing, for the next one I will also select I'll enter 2000 for the adults, and then how many times I can teach. I can select let's say 5 classes a week, and then next thing is to do my KYC. So I'll click next. Right, so the first thing you do in your KYC is to upload your image, your picture, and then it takes you to select an image from your computer. So I'll select this as my profile image. When you attach a file, always make sure you upload it, because if you don't upload it, it means it has not been attached yet to the server. So the next thing is the featured video. Now this is very important. This is the video that helps students to understand who you are, so that it also goes a long way to improve your chances of getting enrollments, and it's also a part of the list of things that we use in assessing whether you will be accepted into eTutors or not. So let me look for a great video. Of course, I've already done the video, recorded myself. So of course, just make sure you record yourself with a very good camera. Of course, it can be with your phone, where you are speaking, explaining how you teach and why students should enroll with you. Now, so I'm uploading that. Then the next thing is my username. I'll leave it as Abdul. Then of course my headline, I will say that I am a great web designer, design tutor with 13 years experience. So this is what students are going to see. So I'll also input my phone number here, and then I will also put my bio. So take your time to craft a great bio. Alright, so like I said, craft a great bio for yourself. Now I'm just going to put dummy text here. Alright, so then it also asks you for your country. So let me scroll down. So Nigeria is down here, and then I select state Abuja. You can also select, just use the down button to find more states, and then of course it also asks me for my location, right? Then of course the address, I can just put Nigeria Abuja, then my postal address. Right, so just put this, and then I'll also, very importantly, attach your certifications, right? Ensure you attach your certifications. So I come here, I'll simply just attach my certifications. You can select multiple documents, whether in PDF, whether it's JPEG, whatever the format, Word. Just make sure you attach all of them. Then you now upload. So once you're done uploading your certifications, it's supposed to bring out a form for you to input the name of the certificate. So this is my O-level certificate. That's certificate. Yeah, so the first one I uploaded is my O-level certificate, which is this one. Then the second one is my first degree, so I'll say BSc computer science. So then of course I can put MSc LLM, right? So maybe I'll just say in big data. Alright, so let me just use that as an example. So it asked me for the dates this was given. So I'll just scroll back to, let me just say 2020 June June 2020. Issuing organization, I can say University of Lagos. So here so just make sure you input all your data in details, right? Because if you don't put it in details, you might end up being rejected. I can say University, okay, University of Ibadan. And also know that we're going to, the eTutors team is going to verify anything that you're uploading on this platform as your certificates. So this is University of Manchester. So this is UK. Great. So I've uploaded my 3 certificates, and then the languages, that's my language of instruction. So I'm going to select English, and I'm going to put it as fluent, and then I'll now click this onboarding. So this KYC is very, very important, because this is the basis upon which you will be assessed. That's your application will be assessed. If it is found wanting, you probably might be rejected. So I'm going to submit. So good. So once you submit, it gives you account pending approval. And of course it tells you that it will take 1 or 2 business days for your application to be completely reviewed, and the team will get back to you. So this is exactly how to complete your onboarding process. And once your onboarding is completed, you will become part of the platform. You'll be able to use the platform. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.